encourage everyone else in your life to sign the petition or make a submission, because we need as many signatures and as many submissions as possible by the end of this week. Like I said before, strength comes in numbers, and we need thousands of people to help make this change. Post about it on your socials. Honestly, a 5-second post on your Instagram will make someone wonder, oh my gosh, why is everyone posting this old lady in a Samoan flag? I need to find out. Well, there's definitely a number of reasons to, engage with your elders, and I know that everyone has a different relationship with their own old people in their lives. But specifically from where I come from, my Samoan elders are no longer in this life. And my generation and my cousins, my sister and I, we are now the voice for them. So we, the next generation of Samoans, are the voice for our elders who have been voiceless for so long.